Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file multiple years of tax returns. Filing your past due tax returns is crucial, even if you're late. It can help you avoid significant penalties and interest charges from the IRS. Plus, you might be missing out on a refund that's owed to you. Getting caught up ensures you stay in good standing and prevents future complications with your taxes. Let's get started. The first step is to gather all your necessary documents for each year you need to file. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Don't forget to collect records of any deductions or credits you might be eligible for, such as mortgage interest statements or charitable contributions. Organizing these now will save you a lot of time later. Once you have your documents, prepare your returns using the correct forms for each specific tax year. You can often find these on the IRS website. If your situation is complex, or if you're unsure, consider consulting a tax professional for assistance. When you're ready, mail each year's return in a separate envelope to the IRS. This helps ensure they are processed correctly. After submitting, the IRS will process your returns in the order they receive them. Be aware that filing multiple years at once can sometimes lead to longer processing times, so patience is key. You'll receive correspondence once your returns are processed. Also, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your week.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.